Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to the tab overview so you can see what you're closing and why. Tap the tab's icon at the bottom or top depending on your layout. This reveals grid or compact tab views. Make sure you note whether you're in a tab group, because closing a tab there affects only that group. Once you see the tabs, decide which ones to close first: inactive pages, duplicates, or heavy sites using battery or data. Now take action. To close a single tab, swipe it away in the grid or tap the X on compact tabs. This immediately frees memory and battery. For faster cleanup, long press one tab to reveal commands like close other tabs or move to tab group, which helps organize without repeating steps. If you want a full reset, use close all tabs from the long press menu. Make sure to confirm you're in the right tab group so you don't unintentionally wipe a set you still need. Finish by switching to private or creating a new tab group to keep future sessions tidy and prevent automatic reopenings. That's why tab groups matter. If a tab refuses to close, force quit Safari by swiping it away in the app switcher and relaunching. This clears stuck processes. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. As a last resort, reset Safari settings, which removes history and site data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.